Hey, well, now it's been about a week and a half since they hauled the boat out of the water. And so we continue with our cleaning and scouring to get rid of mildew and moisture. Our big accomplishment for the day, we thought, was going to be starting the engine, but we take a little picture of the engine down there. So it was the wrong starter. They ordered the wrong starter. The starter that was on there was 40 years old. So we tried to get it rebuilt, but they couldn't find the parts for it. But the mechanic's fairly confident that it's going to be okay. And so today we were doing everything from, one of the things we tried to do was lift up, the areas where the freshwater tanks were. We're pulling up everything and trying to get right down to the hull to clean up. And my friend here has been very helpful with that. And we've also been very lucky because today was the first day and a week and a half when there was a chance of rain, and it was just a little sprinkle. So we've had everything open for a week and a half, but now we have to start closing it because we have rain coming. So here as well, we opened up everything, and I'm gonna let you go in there and take a picture of the air conditioning. We pulled up everything out of the V-berth so we can get a look at the air conditioning system that my cousin installed. So this is not the one that came with the boat. This is a King Air system that he put in himself and engineered himself. So I just pulled all the ductworks out and everything because they were pretty smelly and had a lot of moisture. And so it's almost Thanksgiving, so we're going to kind of close up. We're going to leave our damp rid everywhere we can, and we just keep spraying mildewcide and the Odo, what is it called again?
Odoban?
Odoban. And the smell is getting better, I think, every time that we come here. And so next time we come, I'm going to do some research on cleaning brass and also, some of the other things, the heater here. I think I've got it all cleaned out, and I want to make sure that I'm lighting that properly. And the rest is just continuing to clean, and then once the engine's running, then we'll just know more about what we have to do there. But we're hoping to get it in the water in less than 2 months. I'll be posting more later.